So let's go through the spellings. Okay. Now buy is the present tense and bought is past tense. The spelling of bought is B-O-U-G-H-T. Now the spelling of market is M-A-R-K-E-T, market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Next, plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. Now these are the rhyming words: late, slate and cake. Dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. D-I-N-I-N-G, D-I-N-I-N-G, dining. And T-A-B-L-E, table, dining, table. D-I-N-I-N-G is dining. T-A-B-L-E is table, dining, table. What is dining table? Yes, we sit around the table to have a food. So, the table which we use to sit around to have our food is called the dining table. Dining table. So, we finish with the first passage. We are moving on to the second passage. Please look into your book, okay? When he had not tasted plums all his life and was very curious about it. See, Vanya has never tasted plums. He has never tasted plums. Maybe you have heard about it, but he has never tasted plums. And he was so curious. What is the meaning of that curious? He was, wanting to know what is the taste of it. He was very eager. Curious means he was very eager. How do you spell curious? C-U-R-I-O-U-S. C-U-R-I-O-U-S. So I shall write it here. C-U-R-I-O-U-S. Curious. What is it? Curious. Repeat that word. Curious. Repeat it. Curious. I can't hear. Curious. Curious. Not curious. Not curious. Curious. C-U-R-I-O-U-S. Curious means was very eager. Because Vanya has never tasted what? Tasted plum. So he was very curious. He wanted to know what it is like. First he sniffed. What is the meaning of sniffed? Taking and smelling it. That is called sniffed. S-N-I-F-F-E-D. S-N-I-F-F-E-D. Sniffed. Sniffed means taking very close to your nose and getting the smell. That is sniffed. First he sniffed the fruit. What did he sniff? What did he sniff?
Fruit.
He sniffed the fruit. What fruit? Plum. Very good. Wrinkled his nose. Wrinkled. What do you mean wrinkled? You learned this word in the first standard. In the rabbit's poem. He crinkles up and wrinkles up. Made a nose like this. See what I did? Yes. The rabbit does that. So when he got the smell, he was doing like this. He wrinkled his nose at the pleasing smell. Pleasing smell means very nice smell it was. It was very, lovely smell. So it was very pleasing for this boy. And then what happened? And decided. Decided means already made a plan that he liked the fruit. Pleasing smell, and he decided that he liked the fruit. Dinner time was still a long way off and he could not wait. No one will notice if I take one, he said to himself. So the smell was so nice and it was very he wanted to eat. So again to have dinner, there was a lot of time to have dinner. There was the long way means the long time there was. So he could not wait. He couldn't wait till the dinner time. So it was his mouth was watering. When you like something you want to eat, isn't it? Yes? No? No?
Yes.
When you like something you don't like to eat?
Yes.
Or you don't like to buy? No? What children you all are? You don't like to eat when something is very nice?
Yes.
Yeah. So same way when your boss couldn't wait because the lovely lovely smell. When he smelled it, he liked it very much, and he could not even wait till the dinner time. So he thought, if I take one, nobody will know. He did not know mother had already counted. Okay, alright. As soon as he was alone in the room, he took a big plum and ate it quickly. So there was nobody in the room. So he took one plum and ate it quickly. What is the meaning of quickly? Quickly? Yeah, he ate it fast because he didn't want anyone to see. He ate it fast. He ate fast, and when he has said to himself, and he was talking to himself, plums are very delicious indeed. What did Vanya say? Plums are very delicious indeed. He said, oh, plums are very tasty. Delicious means very tasty. So till there only we are going to read today. So we are going to read once again. All of you look into your book. Lesson 1, the plum stone. One day, Vanya's mother bought some plums from the market. She washed them and left them on a big plate in the center of the dining table. Now the spelling of center, C-E-N-T-R-E, center. C-E-N-T-R-E, center. C-E-N-T-R-E, center. Center of the dining table. What is the meaning of center? Now I am standing in the center of the board or center of the classroom. In the middle. In the middle. Center means middle. A lot of place that side and the other side. So I am standing now. This is the board and this is the center of the board and center of the classroom. So I am standing in the center of the class. Center means middle. Okay. Mother wanted to give the plums to the children after dinner. It was not every day that plums were bought. When he had not tasted plums all his life, there is no time, all his life, and was very curious about it. First, he sniffed the fruit. Sniffed means he smelled. Wrinkled his nose at the pleasing smell and decided that he liked the fruit. Dinner time was still a long way off and he could not wait. No one will notice if I take one, he said to himself. Himself means he was talking to him. He was not talking to anyone. Okay, him, himself. Her, herself. And myself. Okay, right. As soon as he was alone, alone means there was nobody else in the room, he took a big plum and there was a big plum. He took that plum, took a big plum. And what did he do? And ate quickly. Quickly means ate fast. When he said to himself, he was talking to himself, what did he say? Plums are very delicious indeed. So this so much you please read. And these spellings. See the spellings here? These spellings you should write it in your rough book. I'm going to read once again. Buy is the present tense, bought is past tense, B-O-U-G-H-T is bought, M-A-R-K-E-T is market, P-L-A-T-E, plate. These are the rhyming words of plate. Plate, slate, hay. Dinner, D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. D-I-N-I-N-G, dining, and T-A-B-L-E, table, dining, table. C-U-R-I-O-U-S, curious. S-N-I-F-F-E-D, sniff means to smell. C-E-N-T-R-E, center. So these are the words you are going to learn and write them in your rough notebook. Please read your lessons at least 10 times. Okay. So see you in the next class.